if you give me the
it?
thing,
I
the
see
marker.
exactly how you got it.
And now,
So that hole matches up to the unit bit
on the bottom.
that we just
So
drilled.
now we're gonna mark this. And now, when the thing is in there, you don't have to worry about looking for it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh,
So awesome. So now you'll know when this guy, I think it was this end went in. Yeah, this end goes in right, and then it goes stops on the bottom. So that's it. So now this guy, actually, no, he can't. He's stuck. So he has to go in with it. Now you can do it right here.
Yeah.
And then just tack it. So technically, I would tack it because you don't want to
the
weld
rosette
this.
first.
You don't want to weld this
Yeah.
because then this won't fit right.
Yeah, I'm gonna
So
fill
you want
the
to do him
plug
right
holes
here.
first.
Yeah, I would just plug him right there, and this gives the movement inside.
Yeah,
It'll be the whole
then it can
movement
go
of this piece
wherever it needs
right
to.
there. That's what I would do, and we'll do the same on that side. You see how the marker's like drying out?
Yeah, I mean I don't use it that much.
Yeah,
So
it could be
I mean,
it was in the winter for so long.
Yeah. Okie dokie. It's perfect. There you go.
Weld that.
There you go.
You gotta weld the old metal,
Uh-huh.
not the new. That was how I did the other one.
Nice.
Oh, wait a minute. I didn't touch it. You don't touch it.
Uh-huh. You let it wake up and then you feed it in. I see, kind of.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah, and then you go and then you have to feed in and then start your movements. Not bad, not bad.
Is it welding it?
Yeah. No, you're getting some beads down. I think now maybe you have to push in more.
No, as soon as you push in, it stops.
Really?
It needs to
Oh, so
arc.
you need to let
It
it.
literally needs to arc.
It literally needs to arc. Yeah, no, because you have blobs there. It looks good.
Yeah, it needs to jump.
Uh-huh.
Because look at the rod's gone.
Yeah, no, I see.
Yep.
So you just hold it near it.
You arc it and then you pull away. See it?
Oh, I understand it now.
And you could build it too.
That's the thing. You can build these.
Yeah. Holy
Entire.
crazy. You're right though, man. You definitely need two gloves.
Oh, I have it if you want.
It's okay.
Let me know.
Yeah,
You're doing good.
You're not wearing the right attire.
It's fine. We're New Yorkers.
I'm not moving fast.
You're looking good, man. Don't worry about it. You're laying them down pretty good.
Yeah, as soon as you touch it, it stops.
So you have to literally let it arc. I get it now. That makes sense.
It needs to jump the arc. I'll tell you what. Is this strong enough?
I'd say it looks pretty nice.
All that smell for it.
Yeah,
I don't know if that's good.
should be alright. Should just be paint. Alright. We're using some 1/8 inch rod. We put all the settings in here. Oh,
Is that welded now?
yeah. Yeah, just give it a little more material. But yeah, it's welding good.
I just want this to be welded better.
Yeah,
But I don't
yeah.
think it's strong enough. This is dirty too.
Very,
You know the rust?
very dirty.
It's very
yeah.
dirty, yeah.
Because it's literally where all the water collected.
I just want this piece here.
No, yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, can I get another rock? Give me the water. I'll give this to you. Oh no.